We'll take one.
I think that there's a perception about the difficulty of printing and that it's hard to get prints that you like out of your own printer. I think there's two things that accelerate a photographer's ability to be better: taking more photographs and printing their work. We create a bunch of reasons and excuses for why we don't print. It's too hard, it's too expensive, it's too technical. Just like anything else in photography, if you're not printing, there's probably just an excuse that is nothing more than an excuse for why you don't do it. Whatever your story is you're telling yourself, that we peel back that no matter what you're doing, you can actually print and get to that. There aren't any excuses that should keep you from printing. And I think with a few basic techniques and understanding of kind of what's going on, it's actually pretty easy to get a really good print that you can be proud of to hang on the wall. I'm Daniel Gregory. Come and check out my latest class on KelbyOne.com.